Assalamu alaikum. Myself Anwar Hussain, Department of Law, Dahodil International University. I am from Joshua. I completed my SSC examination from Rajghat Jafarpur Secondary School with GPA 5 and talent pool scholarship. I completed my SSC examination from Nopra Government College with GPA 5. Since childhood, I have been deeply interested in justice and human rights. That's why I choose studying law. I want to become a barrister. My journey at Dakoda International University is really inspiring. Our teachers are very supportive. They help us not only in academic life but also in real life experiment. My hobby is reading biographies of famous people, debating, card drifting, and playing cricket. I successfully participated in National Debate Festival from Michael Madhusudan Dotto Debating Club, Srijonshil Medha Annweshon in Language and Literature. I served myself as VP in Student Cabinet 3 times in my school life. I have completed some course in Bangladesh Technical Board on Microsoft, graphics, etc. I have got certificate from Voice of Freedom in Debate from Daffodil International University. I completed some course in Career Development Center and skill jobs as well. Thank you for listening.